In this video, I will show you how to access Bybit live chat support. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up the Bybit app on your device. Once you've done that and you're logged into your account, you want to come up and press onto your profile picture up in the top left hand corner. Now from here, you just want to scroll down slightly and you're going to see an option down here for Help Center and Contact Support. So what you want to do is press onto this. And in here, you can see some different options. So we've got things like help, contact support, and some other options. Now, to start a live chat, you can see there's an option here which says start live chat with our customer support. All you want to do is give this a press. And what that's going to do is take you across to a screen like this. So this is where you can access the live chat. As you can see at the top, it says, "Hello there, I'm Bybot. How can I assist you today?" Now to speak to someone on the live chat, all you want to do is come and press into the question box at the bottom, and then just simply go ahead and start typing how you would like help with your account. So for example, I could put something like lost password and then press enter. And as you can see, it's going to give some options. So we can just go through and basically use the live chat to speak to someone on Bybit. So that is how to access Bybit live chat support. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.